Hi, this is Eric Alimena with AMSOILs.com here today to talk to you about the price comparison between AMSOIL and other oils. Stay tuned. Now there are many different types of oils nowadays matched with many different types of vehicles. That results in many different service procedures. So over the next few weeks, I will do a few videos showing the comparison of AMSOIL versus other brands for several different applications, and then demonstrate the different maintenance procedures that will save you time and save you money. So let's get started with two of the most common vehicles in the limo industry, the Chevy Suburban and the Cadillac Escalade. Now, the most exciting thing about the Suburbans and the Escalades is that AMSOIL offers not only a 25,000 mile oil, yes, that's right, 25,000 miles, but also a 25,000 mile oil filter. So aside from topping off the oil through the 25,000 miles, there is nothing you have to do for 25,000 miles, which means less cost in oil changes, less time out of service, and as a bonus, it's better for the environment for those of you that have green initiatives. So let's look at the numbers and see how it compares to other oils. Now, there are some of you that take your vehicle to a dealership, a mechanic, or a oil change facility, and some of you that change your oil in-house. Let's start with those of you that take your vehicle somewhere. Let's compare over 25,000 miles. Now, GM recommends changing your oil every 7,500 miles. So you would change your oil 3 1/3 times during that time period. And let's say synthetic oil changes run about $75, so that comes to $250. Now let's look at AMSOIL. In 25,000 miles, you would only have one oil change. Most oil change facilities or dealerships would change the oil for about $30 if you bring your own oil. Figuring 8 quarts of oil at $9.75 a quart, a preferred customer account through AMSOIL, and $13.69 for an oil filter, the oil change would come to $131, saving you about $119, almost half the cost. Now, understand that is raw cost. That doesn't include the lost opportunity cost or inconvenience cost of pulling the vehicle out of service. Include that into the calculation, you would see even a greater difference. But you say, we do it in-house, and it doesn't cost us much to do an oil change. Well, here you go. Let's figure 8 quarts of oil at $5 a quart and $10 for an oil filter. It takes 30 minutes to do an oil change at a labor rate of $15 per hour. The oil changes over 25,000 miles would come to $192. With AMSOIL, it comes to $109, a savings of $83. Now let's figure the cost of a lifespan of the vehicle at 150,000 miles. You save $711 for those of you that take your vehicle somewhere, and $496 for those that change the oil in-house. And that doesn't incorporate into the comparison that AMSOIL is just a superior oil, period. It reduces wear, increases fuel mileage, and reduces the repair costs, which I will demonstrate in another video. So there you have it. If you own a Suburban or an Escalade, AMSOIL will save you money, save you time, and increase your profits. If you want to know more information about AMSOIL, please go to ericsoils.com. If you have any questions or comments at all, feel free to reach out to me at ericsoils.com. Also, remember to check out our other videos in the upper left-hand corner and subscribe in the lower right-hand corner. And please leave in the comments any vehicles that you would like to see in the comparison between AMSOIL and other oils. Until next time, be encouraged and make a difference.